Last time, Notion AI brought order to Carlos's night shifts. But even order can't stop one thing: forgetting. The restock that slips your mind. The repair note you meant to send. It's not laziness, it's overload. So what if those small chores just did themselves? Today, meet Zapier, the free tool that quietly connects your apps so the routine runs itself. Since Notion AI, Carlos has structure. Rooms, tasks, notes, all organized. But new problems appear. He still discovers empty supply shelves mid-shift. He still forgets one Friday email. And every Monday starts with another surprise. Order helped. Now he needs autopilot, something that remembers for him. That's where Zapier steps in, linking the tools Carlos already uses to act on their own. But before we dive in, you are watching Everyday AI, where stories like Carlos's remind us innovation doesn't start in labs. It starts where routines hurt most, where small tasks steal time from real work. Today, we'll see how Zapier helped Carlos stop chasing tasks and start trusting automation. Zapier connects your apps. With unfinished notes and clutter. Now, Zapier cleans up digitally. Monday starts with answers, not questions. Carlos begins his shift with clarity, not clutter. Low became order, panic became peace. Reported at night, resolved by noon. Less remembering, more doing. Each automation became a quiet victory, proof that invisible work deserves invisible help. Automation didn't take Carlos's work away. It gave him back his calm. Notion honored his effort with order. Zapier honors it with time. He still cleans, he still cares, but now his system works for him, not against him.
If this story inspired you, share it. Subscribe to Everyday AI, where simple tools meet real lives.